Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide, and today we finally have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Quite excited, had a bit of delays. I just moved to the United States, and the first issue we had is trying to get the iPhone delivered day one, which it was, but I wasn't at the house and seemed to have missed the further on delivery, which was on Saturday. So we finally have it on Monday, but I now finally got time on Tuesday to record this video. Now guys, it's going to be a quick unboxing video. I'm going to have my follow-on review with the iPhone 15 Pro Max shortly in a couple of days time. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this quick unboxing. One thing I love about the iPhone unboxing, guys, Apple just makes it so easy. Opening up the boxes and everything. So let's just get... And there's our wonderful phone right here. So we get that out of our way. As you can see, oh, it does look very marvelous, doesn't it? It looks beautiful. Now, got the Space Black Edition. 256 gig, and you know, as you can tell right here, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, as you guys know, I'm a yearly upgrader, and for me it doesn't really matter, not really bothered, just want to be able to use the latest iPhone, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Now let's just quickly get into opening the phone. So what I like to do is open up the bottom one first, and then this should allow us to just slide it up from the bottom. So there you go, you see that gorgeous space black. Now let's just lift it out of the box first. And this here, as you can tell, we've only got the lightning, the USB-C, sorry, the USB-C cable, not lightning anymore, as part of the box. And you don't get any more stickers, guys. There's no stickers, there's none of that stuff anymore. Apple just now give you the phone itself. Now, a bit odd on my phone, I see that it's not been aligned correctly, which is always worrying because it usually means that it's been reseated, but it has been sealed. But it's the first time I've experienced the actual shield of it being quite loose. But let's just quickly have a look around the phone, guys. As you can tell, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful space black. Now, I last year had the natural titanium, which I'll pull out a second. Now, as I said to you guys, last year I got the natural titanium. Just ignore this, it's a camera cutout protector. But I believe the space black looks so much better. Now, guys, let's just have a quickly look around the phone and stuff and just see. As you can tell, it is a brilliant color around the phone. Oh, what's that? Oh, I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. It's a bit of a, there's a bit of a mark there, guys. Oh, that's the first time I've experienced something like this. There seems to be a huge mark on the side of the iPhone. Well, that's annoying. That means I'm going to have to get in touch with Apple. Well, guys, that was the quick unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It seems like I've got a defect on my iPhone, which is very annoying. I'm going to get in touch with Apple and see what I can do. But guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe for any future videos.